If we list all the natural numbers below 10 that are multiples of 3 or 5, we get 3, 5, 6, and 9. The sum of these multiples is 23. Create a function that returns the sum of all the multiples of 3 or 5 below specified number. Additionally, if the number is negative, return 0. Note: if the number is a multiple of both 3 and 5, only count it once. So, we need to make a program that checks multiple numbers, one by one, to see if each of those numbers is divisible by 3 or by 5. If it is divisible, we will have to somehow write it down somewhere, for example in some list of numbers, which we can then add up and return as the result of our function. Sounds easy. Let's get started. First, we'll need to declare a few variables. The variable total sum will hold the sum of all the numbers that are multiples of 3 and of 5. It will also be the result of our function. Then we will declare a blank list, where we keep the numbers of multiples of 3 and 5. To check all the numbers in a range, we will use everyone's favorite, for loop. In this loop, we will check each of the numbers, and if it is a multiple of 3, or if it is a multiple of 5. We will write it down in the list of numbers. Once we find all the numbers that are multiples of 3 or 5, we need to find their sum. For this purpose, I chose to use this simple algorithm. It takes each of the numbers from our list and adds it to the value in the total sum variable. Once we are done adding the numbers, we use the return command to return the result of our function. And that's all. Thanks for your attention. Although this assignment was considerably short and simple, I hope it has helped a large number of beginning programming students. We'll move on to more complex assignments soon. I hope to see you there. Until then, happy coding!